In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into OneDrive in just about 5 minutes. Now, for many of us, OneDrive has become an indispensable tool. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, having access to your files from anywhere can simplify your life in ways you didn't even imagine before. Today, let's go through the process of logging into your OneDrive account step by step, ensuring you can access your files whenever you need them, no matter where you are. Let's kick things off by opening up your favorite web browser. Once you've got that up and running, you're going to want to head over to Microsoft's official website. Now, Microsoft has a lot on offer, but today we're focused solely on getting you into OneDrive. Once you're on Microsoft's website, look around for a sign-in button. It's generally located at the top right corner of the page. Given Microsoft's sleek design, it shouldn't be too hard to spot. A click on this and you're on your way. The next step involves entering your email address. This should be the email you used when you initially set up your OneDrive or Microsoft account. If you've used Microsoft services before, it's likely the same email you use for those. Type it in carefully and let's proceed. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to click Next. It's a simple step but crucial as it confirms the email you've entered and takes you closer to accessing your account. Following that, it's time to input your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as you set it up. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a link to reset it, but hopefully you won't need to go down that path today. Once your password is entered, you guessed it, click Next again. This action verifies your credentials and essentially says to Microsoft, yep, it's me. Let me in. Now, you're likely to encounter a screen asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking yes might be a convenience for future logins. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it might be safer to skip this part. With those steps completed, you now have access to Microsoft's suite of online services. Look for the All Microsoft drop-down menu or the equivalent link directing you to explore all services. This is where things get exciting as you're on the brink of accessing your OneDrive. Within this menu or service page, you're on the lookout for OneDrive. It's Microsoft's cloud storage solution and what you came for. A click on OneDrive and you're almost there. Almost instinctively now you'll see a sign in button. Click on it. It knows you're already signed into Microsoft, so it's more of a formality at this point, but an important one to specifically access OneDrive. And there you have it. The moment you've clicked sign in and it processes, you should be ushered into your OneDrive dashboard elegantly. A dashboard that's all yours where you can access your saved files, upload new ones, and manage them however you see fit. This, my friends, is where your journey today culminates. You are now logged into your OneDrive account. See, that wasn't too difficult, was it? Just a few simple steps and you're in. Remember, your OneDrive account is a powerful tool for managing documents, photos, and other files, making them accessible from anywhere in the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, easy to follow tech tips. Here's to making the most of your digital life, one login at a time. Thanks for watching.